Hello everyone, so today we are going to be analyzing the common stock of Netflix. Please note that this presentation is not meant to be a financial advice, and the aim of this presentation is to illustrate how to use the SharePreds mobile app. You can do the same analysis on any common stock and ETF from US stock markets by downloading our application from the App Store. The link to the application is available in the descriptions below, and you can also download it from the App Store by just typing SharePreds. And in the results, this one is the one that you're supposed to download to be able to do the same analysis on your phone by yourself for any common stock and ETF from the US stock markets. So let's go back to our app screen, continue to analyze the Netflix stock. And the price of Netflix has gone down by 45% in the last 3 months. And in the last 6 months, the price has actually gone down by 67% roughly. And the price is right now trending below the $200. If you compare this price trend with regards to its 200 days moving average, let's say, the pink line is representing the 200 days moving average of the stock. And what we see is that the actual price of the stock right now is way below its 200 days moving average. At some point, these two lines or these two trends, the price of the stock and the 200 days moving average, will meet up. But it is sort of difficult to say that the downtrend for Netflix is over, at least in the short term. Let's have a look at our AI prediction. The latest prediction was shared on the 3rd of June and is actually the prediction validity period is until the 1st of July. And the price increase likelihood is given as 50%, meaning that the price, our algorithms is expecting that the price of the stock will be lingering around these levels, which is the reference buy target here, given as $204.49. Since this is quite a volatile stock recently, it doesn't mean that the price of the stock is going to remain, or the expectation is that the price of the stock is going to remain at $204.49, but it's going to be lingering at these points based on the output of our AI prediction. Let's have a look at the volatility figures of the stock. In the last 5 days, the stock has been the stock volatility has been 4.6%, and if you have a look at the last 20 days volatility, it is 5.38%. And at this level, these are actually quite high numbers, especially for such a big company like Netflix. If we have a look at the MACD and signal line graph, as you see at the top of the screen right now, MACD is below 0. But it is above signal line and the trend is upwards, so it's going up. RSI is not under 30 anymore, so it's not oversold, it's very close to the 50 line, and the trend is upwards as well, so it's going up. But with regards to its volatility, there's not enough evidence or indicator to be able to say that the price will be going up significantly in the very short term. Partly because that our AI algorithm is not expecting a huge increase in the very short term, and also the MACD is still below 0 line, even if the MACD is going up slowly, and even if RSI is slowly going up as well, we haven't really started seeing a price increase that is significant enough. If you have a look at the last 1 week, the price has gone up by only 0.78%. If you have a look at the last day, the price has actually gone down again by 2.98%. Netflix is not of those companies that is sharing dividends based on the data that we have, and but on the other hand, the PE ratio has gone down to 18.06, which is quite a low value for such a company like Netflix at the moment. And the 12 months trailing EPS happens to be 11.02 right now. So this is a short analysis of Netflix. You can do a more detailed analysis by looking at the company financials and other technical indicators here by yourself too, by downloading our application from the App Store. And it is not limited to Netflix. You can actually do the same analysis on any common stock and ETF from the US stock markets by downloading our application from the App Store. Thanks for listening and see you next time.